everyone, I'm 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺Today I'm going to discuss about registering a UK company as a foreigner. Are you an entrepreneur with global ambitions? Have you ever dreamed of expanding your business to the UK, one of the world's leading economies? Well, good news. Registering a UK company as a foreigner is easier than you might think. And the best part is, you don't even need to be a UK resident to get started. The process is straightforward and can be completed online through the company's house website, or you can enlist the help of a specialized firm like the 𝗧𝗵𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺 to guide you through the process. The 𝗧𝗵𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺 can handle all the paperwork and legal requirements, making your transition to the UK market seamless. But why choose the UK? What makes it so attractive to foreign businesses? The UK boasts a dynamic, business-friendly environment with policies designed to support growth and innovation. The average time to register a company is just 13 days. Talk about efficiency. Plus, you can take advantage of attractive tax incentives like entrepreneur relief, making the UK even more appealing. Once your UK company is up and running, you can even apply for a skilled worker visa, also known as the UK self-sponsorship visa. This visa allows you to live and work in the UK while managing your own business, giving you the freedom to build your dream. And unlike other visas, there's no need for endorsements or checkpoints to monitor your business's progress. The UK has a thriving and diverse economy with opportunities across various sectors. Whether you're in tech, retail, consultancy, or any other field, the UK welcomes your expertise and entrepreneurial spirit. So what are the steps involved? Here's a quick rundown. Step 1. Choose your business structure. A limited company is a popular choice for foreign entrepreneurs, offering personal financial protection by separating your personal and business assets. Step 2. Name your business. Make sure your desired company name is unique and available. The company's house website has a handy tool to check this. Step 3. Register your company. Gather the necessary documents, including your constitutional documents, memorandum of association, a UK address, this can be a physical or virtual office, a capital statement outlining your financial setup, and details of the company directors. Step 4. Get a bank account. Once registered, you will need a UK business bank account to manage your finances. Many UK banks offer tailored solutions for international businesses. Step 5. Obtain licenses and permits. Depending on your industry, you may require specific licenses or permits to operate legally in the UK. As a UK business owner, you'll have the potential to settle permanently in the UK after 5 years, and your family can join you on this exciting journey. You'll also enjoy greater visa stability, giving you peace of mind and the confidence to focus on your business growth. Don't let the process seem daunting. The 𝗧𝗵𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺 is here to make your UK business dream a reality. Our team of UK business visa experts can provide personalized guidance, ensuring you meet all the legal requirements and navigate the UK company registration process smoothly. Take the leap! Register your UK company today and open the door to a world of opportunities.